Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So when I travel, I like to take some jewelry pieces that complement the outfits that I picked to pack, and I'm happy that I was able to find this super stylish jewelry travel case. This little organizing case really is designed for travel. I can put my jewelry pieces in there. I've got some bracelets. I've got some earrings, some rings. It's got 6 spots for rings. And then in this little compartment, I've got some necklaces. Perfect amount of jewelry to complement my outfits on a travel trip. You can actually take these little separators out and make them bigger if you have bigger pieces to carry. It is compact, takes up very little room, zips to keep everything organized, doesn't slide around, and it has this built-in mirror so you can do that quick checkup on how your jewelry's looking, maybe your lipstick. Makes it real convenient and travel ready. This nice, soft, leathery feel to it. And the inside has this real velvety material, so my jewelry doesn't get scratched up. There's plenty of room for what I need for my travel. It would be an amazing gift for anyone. I love it.